done a couple of videos on flex plates, building your own. They're very nice. And I go out and I buy a standard sheet of steel. It's the right mill. And I usually put magnets under the bed and use blue tape. Today I'm going to add a PEI sheet. And the cool thing again about doing it yourself is you can customize. And what I'm going to do is put the PEI on one side, blue tape on the other. That way, depending on what I want or what I'm doing, I can use either surface. So let's get to it. Okay, there might be some background noises and stuff. It is the holidays and people are cleaning, and I'm trying to get this out real quick. But I have my standard plate that I've cut. It's a standard piece of steel. I went to my local hardware store / Home Depot / Lowe's, whatever, and got a piece of steel that's about the right thickness. I can't remember what the mill is, but if you literally go like this, you'll know, because the next one up is too stiff. And honestly, if you want the next one up, it would work too. The one much smaller, if you bend it at all, it just stays bent. So you'll know if you go in there and you just start going like this. They're about $4 or $5. And I just bought a piece of PEI that got delivered today. And I kind of want to put it on there. So I'm going to show you how to go about it. First thing you do, obviously, is clean everything. Very clean. Very, very clean. A little rubbing alcohol, squirt it on there. Especially if you've been doing like I have with blue tape, you might have glue residue from the tape left over. You want it nice and smooth. I highly recommend taking your hand and just rubbing it over it, making sure there's no leftover pieces, no little lumps, no dumps, no bumps, no tears, no divots, no nothings. Then you basically just take your sheet of PEI, there's a nice protective layer. I got some rubbing alcohol on it. So this side should peel up or is easiest. And start the adhesive. Of course I need my glasses because I can't see because I'm old and blind. I can't get the adhesive back. And just use a little corner. Like so. Fold it back. And then, for your convenience, whichever side, kind of lay it over it. Get an attitude of where it's going to go. Just stick down a corner. Make sure everything's lined up the way you want it. It's a little twisted, but nothing I can't deal with. Make sure this corner is nice and tight. Lift it up and slowly start pulling the backer off and just run your finger over it. And you will get a basically bubble-free adhesion. Just do it really slow. That way you can back up if you do get a bubble, but you shouldn't even get a bubble if you do it like this. You should have no issues at all. And if you don't like using your finger, you can use 3D print. Do not use a metal spatula or something. That will screw up your PEI sheet. You just go back and forth and make sure you keep going over the same spots. And that's pretty much it. When you do it just like this, you will get a bubble-free adhesion. Oops, that's a little too much. You do like I do and just pull too much, you can actually just push it back. Just keep working it forward. That's great. The thing about it is you can't flex glass. And it also doesn't hold as well. I just don't care. I've yet to get glass. I mean, I can get it to work, yes, but it never works as well as either PEI or blue tape. And then just trim off the excess. And I didn't get it perfect, but this plate is actually bigger than my actual build volume anyways. Oops. Come on. Well, that ain't working right. Do a final trim down it like so. Make sure you got a nice clean edge so you're not sticking anything to it. And there you go, PEI applied. Nice, easy, clean face. Now, if you're gonna be like me and you're gonna do a double-sided before you level your bed, because don't forget you're gonna have to level your bed now because you've added the thickness of the PEI. Put the tape on there also, which I'll do right now, because that'll also change the thickness in your bed leveling height, framing height. So always put the, if you're going to do a dual surface, make sure you always have both surfaces on there, so no matter which side you're using, you're not having to reset your bed height. There you go. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And now I have a dual surface bed. It sticks magnetically to my printer. And I can use either side whenever I want. Smashing.